Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So I've pushed this about as far as I can go. I need to roll this out to next week at least. Oh, it's not good. I only get a cent. Alright, let's go out 2 weeks. Still not looking so good here. Could go to 31, I guess. Let's go out another week. Oh boy. Let's go to 30 and a half. Just to give us some headroom. Right? And let's see if this will execute. Submit that order. Alright, let's hope that goes through any second now. For 50 cents. Anybody? Alright, looks like it went through. Let's look at the positions. Now I've gone out, I've raised my put to 30 and a half, and it's a 21 days expires. Alright guys, be sure you subscribe to my channel, see how this trade turns out, and more wealth building techniques, and of course, the daily options trade. And be sure you smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Alright guys, thanks for watching.